Today I'm testing out this tire pen. It's made for painting the letters on your tires in white. The one I bought is called Jeff Noob Acrylic Paint Pen. Before I started, I cleaned the tires, nothing complicated. I just grabbed a stiff brush, some dish soap and give the letters a good scrub, rinse everything off with water and let it dry. You don't want grease or dirt messing with the paint, so it's worth spending a couple of minutes on this step. Using the pen is pretty simple. The first time you need to pump the tip a few times. That gets the paint flowing. Once it's ready, it feels just like any normal marker. You just trace over the letters, it goes on smooth, no big mess, and the paint dries fast. I would say within a few minutes it's already dry to the touch. At first I did one layer and honestly it looked kind of disappointing. The letters were white but a bit grayish, not really standing out. So I went back and added a second layer, and that's when it really popped. Clean, bright, sharp, with 2 layers, it looks exactly how I wanted. What surprised me was how far one pen goes. I managed to do 2 full layers on all 4 tires with just one pen. I thought for sure I will need 2 or 3, but no, one was enough. Now it's been about a month since I painted them, and honestly I'm impressed. The paint is still there, still looking good. It hasn't peeled or cracked. Where I live it doesn't rain that much, but the sun is strong. The UV here can be brutal, and even with that the paint didn't fade. Of course it's not perfect. At the end of the day it's just paint, so if you scrape your tire against a sidewalk or a curb while parking, the paint is going to rub off. And applying it while simple isn't completely effortless. Holding the pen in the straight vertical position for a while does get tiring. My wrists felt it after a bit, so I had to split the job into 2 sessions instead of doing all the 4 tires in one go. But honestly, it's so worth it. The difference in how the car looks is huge. The white letters give it a sportier, cleaner style. People notice it right away, and the fact that it was this easy to do makes it even better. Even if I have to touch it up once or twice a year, I don't mind at all. The application doesn't take long, the results are great, and it makes the car stand out so much. I love it. I didn't expect at all from this little paint pen I found online, but it really did the job, and for the price, less than $10, I'm more than happy. I will put the link in the description. Thank you for watching, guys. Ciao.